Morning guys, Luke the landscaper here, pink and green. I want to show you something. If you have these big, beautiful bromeliads in your yard, there's another one over there. See what happens is they make this flower. Pretty cool looking. Big old flower. Unfortunately, once they flower like that, they'll last like that maybe a month. Enjoy them, take some pictures, but they are going to die. That's how they reproduce. They flop over, all the seeds fall into the dirt, and then they reproduce. So just remember with the bromeliads and the agaves, once they make this big tall flower, they are going to die. Enjoy them, but make sure you plan on pulling them out and replacing them. Luke the landscaper, pink and green.